Have you ever wondered why everyone loves slime? It's more than just a toy you can buy at the store. It's a squishy, stretchy, gooey creation that you can make with your own two hands. Slime is amazing because it doesn't act like a normal liquid, like water. It doesn't act like a solid, like a toy car. It's something wonderfully weird in between. You can poke it, you can pull it, you can stretch it, you can watch it ooze. It's a fantastic scientific mystery that feels like pure magic. And the best part, you get to be the magician in charge of this incredible, colorful goo. The feeling of slime is just part of the fun. Think about it. You can make it any color you want. Want slime that looks like a sparkly galaxy? You can do that. Want slime that feels fluffy like a cloud? You can do that too. The fun starts when you begin to mix the ingredients together. It's like being a scientist in a lab, pouring, stirring, and watching simple, everyday things transform. First things first, every great scientist needs their materials. You won't need complicated lab equipment. You probably have most of these things at home. You will need a bottle of white school glue like Elmer's glue. You will also need some contact lens solution. Make sure it has boric acid and sodium borate in the ingredients. That's the secret activator. Grab some baking soda, a little bit of water, a big mixing bowl, something to stir with, like a spoon or craft stick. That's it. Simple ingredients laid out. Now it's time to start mixing. Pour about a half cup of white school glue into the mixing bowl. This is the foundation. Add about a half cup of water to the glue. Stir until fully mixed, smooth and milky. After a smooth, milky mixture, add a few drops of your favorite food coloring. Stir to combine. This is where your slime gets personality. Add about half a teaspoon of baking soda to the mixture. Stir it in really well until you can't see it anymore. Baking soda helps make your slime firmer and less sticky. Make sure everything is blended smoothly. This is your last chance to add glitter or extras. Finally, it's time for the magic ingredient, the contact lens solution. Begin by adding 1 tablespoon of contact lens solution and start stirring. You will immediately see the mixture begin to change. It will get thick and start to pull away from the sides of the bowl. Keep stirring. When it gets too thick to stir with a spoon, use your hands. Knead it like dough until it's stretchy and no longer sticky. Congratulations! You have just created your very own blob of amazing scientific slime. This hands-on experience is what makes slime so popular with kids. But the real secret behind the fun is the science. Every batch is a cool chemistry experiment. Different substances react and change. It's not just following a recipe. It's seeing science happen. You get to witness molecules linking into long chains. Those chains create the unique texture of slime. This is your chance to be a real scientist, exploring matter in the most fun way imaginable. Ready to unlock the secrets of slime? So what just happened? How did sticky glue and a few other simple things turn into that amazing slime in your hands? The answer is science, and it's all about something called polymers. Think of polymers as super long chains made of tiny molecules all linked together, kind of like a long necklace made of beads. The white school glue you used is filled with these long, slippery polymer chains. In the glue, these chains just slide past each other, which is why glue acts like a liquid. But we are about to change that. The magic happens when you add the activator, which was our contact lens solution. The boric acid, the sodium borate, are special ingredients called cross-linkers. Imagine you have a big pile of necklaces, our polymers. A cross-linker is like a tiny little clip that can grab onto 2 different necklaces and link them together. When you poured the contact solution into the glue, millions of these tiny clips went to work, grabbing all the slippery polymer chains and connecting them to each other, creating a huge, tangled web. This process is called a chemical reaction. The cross-linking reaction is what changes the glue from a liquid. It's no longer a simple liquid because the polymer chains can't slide around freely anymore. They are all tangled up in a network. This network is what gives slime its famous stretchy and gooey texture. It's strong enough to hold together when you pull it slowly, but it can still flow and ooze like a liquid if you let it sit. This special type of substance, not quite a solid and not quite a liquid, is called a non-Newtonian fluid. When you poke it quickly, the chains bunch up and resist, making it feel firm. When you pull it slowly, the chains have time to slide past one another, allowing it to stretch. Every time you stretch your slime, you are feeling those long, cross-linked polymer chains at work. Understanding this simple science makes playing with slime even more fun because you know the incredible secret behind its ooey gooey properties. Now that you are a slime-making scientist, it's time to be a slime artist. Your basic slime recipe is like a blank canvas. We already talked about food coloring. You can create a rainbow or mix colors to invent new shades. Add fine glitter for a shimmer or chunky glitter for bold sparkle. Imagine a dark blue galaxy. Slime with silver glitter. Change texture with shaving cream for fluffy slime, or add foam beads to make floam, crunchy and fun. Add a drop of vanilla or peppermint extract for scent. Always have a grown-up help you, especially with contact lens solution. Work on an easy-to-clean surface. Remember, slime is for playing with your hands, not for eating. After playing, wash your hands. Store slime in an airtight container or zip-top bag to keep it fresh. Don't be afraid to experiment. A little more water, a little less. Every batch is a new experiment. Keep mixing, exploring, and asking questions.